Hello and welcome back to my channel Slow Cooking with Evie. In today's episode I'm gonna cook a traditional Russian soup called borscht. It's a beetroot soup. Originally borscht comes from Ukraine. For borscht we will need several ingredients. First of all, beetroot, which is the main ingredient of this soup. Then we'll need potato, carrot, some cabbage, uh, beef, lemon, tomato paste and beef stock. As an alternative, you can use also chicken stock or you can use vegetarian stock. You can cook borscht in a slow cooker in two different ways. First of all, you can cook everything in one pot, or you can split this process for two steps, which I'm gonna use. Tonight I'm gonna cook only meat, potato, carrot and cabbage. And tomorrow morning I will cook beetroot, and I will add beetroot into my soup. So now I'm gonna cut potato, carrot, and I will grind also cabbage. But before I start cutting, I have a favor to ask. Please don't forget to press like button. It doesn't cost you anything. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe for my channel for more recipes in slow cooker. So I cut my potato, carrot and I grind it cabbage. So now I just need to transfer everything into the slow cook. I'm not going to add salt in already salted stock, and also meat is salted, so I don't need extra salt in the soup. However, I will add salt tomorrow in beetroot. So I'm adding stock, and if you can see, I have quite a lot of fat in the stock, and I'm gonna keep all this fat in the stock. Now I'm just gonna mix everything so it's ready to go. Okay, and now let's switch on low heat mode. Put lid on. And also another thing, when you cook in slow cooker, please do not open the lid while it's cooking. And now I will see you tomorrow morning. Our first step of cooking our borscht was finished overnight, and now we need to finish it with the beetroot. Here I have beetroot, half a kilo, 3 cloves of garlic, salt, pepper, half of lemon, tomato paste, I'm gonna use half of the bottle, and vinegar. So now I'm gonna grind my beetroot and garlic, and then I'm gonna stir it on the pan. So I prepared beetroot and garlic. Now I just need to preheat frying pan before we can transfer beetroot there. Meanwhile, I'm gonna add some salt, pepper, also half of lemon juice, and I also need to add some vinegar. Looks like my pan is ready. Reduce heat, and now I'm gonna transfer my beetroot into the pan. So, and now I'm gonna leave it for about 4 minutes before I can add tomato paste, and then leave it 4 minutes after I can add also tomato paste. So I have here half of the bottle and I'm gonna use it all. I use just a plain one, but you can use, for example, the one with the basilic or other flavors if you prefer it to be more flavored. Now it's ready. You can see it shrunk. I just want to close it, and I'm gonna leave it for 7 minutes. I like my beetroot to be more crunchy, so that's why I'm leaving it only for 7 minutes. If you want beetroot to be softer, then you can leave it maybe for 10-12 minutes, depending on how soft you like your beetroot. While my beetroot is cooking, I'm gonna transfer my first part of the soup from slow cooker into this big pot. So our beetroot is ready, and now I'm gonna transfer it from the frying pan into the pot. Just be careful when you deal with the hot stuff. I don't want you to burn yourself. And voila, borscht is ready. Now you just need to mix it, and then as you can see, for example, potato is still kind of, it's not already white, it's pinkish, but if you leave your soup for a couple of hours to settle down, then all vegetables will be the same purple color. My borscht is ready, and now I'm just gonna leave it for a couple of hours, and then I will enjoy it for lunch. And I'm gonna show you how it looks like in the plate. It's lunchtime. My borscht is ready. It's settled since morning, and now I can enjoy it. Usually borscht is served with crème fraîche. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't done so, please press like button, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and also switch on notifications so you're not gonna miss my next video. And for now, that's it, and I will see you next time, and I will cook something exciting for you next time as well. See you, bye bye.